What's up, YouTube? It's Desi and I'm back with another video, you guys. So with this video, I know most people want to know as far as for can you survive with Amazon Flex check, and as far as for can you do it as a full-time job, is it beneficial, stuff like that. So I'll be going over that as far as for this video. I'm sorry y'all if I keep touching my phone. It's just the sunlight's so bright, so I don't want to make sure that you guys are seeing like a full visual of me. Before I get right into it, I did want to kind of discuss a little bit of Instacart. So with Instacart, because I'm pretty much doing Instacart now as a side hustle. It's not like nothing too major. It's just something to kind of like do. Okay, so with Instacart, I noticed that they do like a performance test. Because remember I told you guys Amazon Flex will do the same thing. They'll let you know as far as for how you're doing. It'll kind of do like a certain rating where it'll be like either you're fair, outstanding, you know, stuff like that. So I was able to look at my rating so far, and so far I got 5 stars, which is really good. On top of that too, I got good with communication skills. I also got good replacement picks and stuff like that. So they will do stuff like that for you guys to make sure that you're kind of keeping up with that. If you guys can't see my eyes, it's my glasses. Also too, I was looking at just the feedback, so you can kind of see the feedback. Some of the people can kind of leave you like a review and stuff like that. So that's why I always tell you guys communication is major when it comes to Instacart. Like, always just communicate with the customer. That's how that goes. Now it's pretty much 12 o'clock over here right now. I did not do any in the morning because I also have where I sell Disney ears as well too. So I had to do an order for that and then make it to the post office before 1 o'clock. So pretty much got that out of the way, but that's all just excuses. I'm actually about to start a couple of batches with Instacart. It is so hot out here right now in Florida, you guys. So I'm gonna try to see what's gonna be in the area around Oakleaf. Now I do still have tomorrow available to try to see if I can let you guys know as far as for what's it's like doing Instacart on the side, on the south side and everything like that, and then do some videos with my boyfriend as well too, so you guys can get an input on him as well too. We haven't been able to do much videos together due to our schedule, so that's why, you know, I try to upload as much as I can on it. Now with Amazon Flex, can you survive with Amazon Flex Pay? And as far as for you know, how is it with a full-time job, blah blah blah. Amazon Flex Pay, I feel like that's specifically for a side hustle. I haven't seen not one video yet on YouTube where somebody told me that they got like a big check pay with Amazon Flex where it can replace their full-time job. Now if so, please prove me wrong. Now I have seen people comment underneath there where they'll tell me they from Texas or something like that, and they said that they get tips and stuff. Maybe I haven't reached that level yet, but I only reached like level 3 on Amazon Flex, and I was already kind of getting tired of it. Amazon Flex, I was making decent checks, but like I said, Amazon Flex, you get paid every Tuesdays and Thursdays. With Instacart, you could cash out at any given time, mainly between Wednesdays and Fridays, I think. But I was able to cash out this morning too, and it's Saturday, so you know what I'm saying? I'm looking at stuff like that. But also too, you get tips with Instacart, so I like that. Some people said they was able to get Instacart, get tips with Amazon Flex, but like I said, I didn't get anything, and I'm here in Florida. I don't know if you got to reach a certain level to get stuff like that. I don't know just yet. But also too, but Amazon Flex, you could do groceries as well too, because I think I seen somebody said they do Whole Foods and stuff like that. But I don't know. I just stuck the packages because I already see how people was coming at me with packages. So just imagine how they'll come at you with food. I don't know. It's quite different. Amazon Flex, I won't doubt anybody hustle. If you're doing good on Amazon Flex, continue to do your thing. Me personally, you driving around outside all day, like that's really kind of annoying here in Florida because it's like it's super hot. And I'm not gonna lie to you, they give you certain perks, like say for instance when you reach certain points with Amazon Flex, they do where they're like say like say for instance, I noticed I had reached a certain point where they were like, go ahead and apply for the Amazon Flex debit card and stuff like that. Then they was also saying stuff like don't forget you can get 15% off with Jiffy Lube with changing your oil doing with Amazon Flex. That's good, but however, I don't go to Jiffy Lube when I get my car changed, oil change. I did with the dealership. So, but okay, that's good. That's one thing. But my thing is, y'all ought to be doing stuff where, since we driving around our car so much, Amazon Flex offers 50% off when going to get your gas filled up due to hard driving workers, something like that. Like, let it be beneficial. I haven't came up with any perks yet as far as for Instacart. If they have any, I'm pretty sure they do, but you probably got to reach certain levels. But I'm just now starting out. But I feel like, you know, with those type of jobs, make it sound right. Like, don't be just trying to do a little oil change up for 15% off. Come on now. And like I said, I save more gas when doing Instacart. Like when I told y'all I had filled up on Monday, I just filled up my gas tank now. I'm at 214 right now. And I showed you guys yesterday I was at like 136. So that's what I'm saying. Like my gas lasts me long. I'm not outside all the time. I'm literally inside grabbing those groceries and then driving to the customer's house. But sometimes, like I said, some customers will have it where they can just pick it up from the spot. So, you know, you have that option, or, you know, it just all just depends. I only had that happen to me one time where the customer picked it up from the actual store. But that's beneficial too. And the store, the house will usually be around like 6 minutes away. It all depends. But one thing about Instacart, they always put you on a time frame. But if you're good at grocery shopping, I don't see it as an issue. Because honestly, I mean, I get in there, I do what I got to do. The app clearly tells you what aisle you need to be on, what department is it in. They'll say produce, or it'll also say dairy, bakery. So there's no way that you know don't know what you're doing. I'm sorry, I need some water. So yeah, that's how I feel with that. But I feel like you get a more advantage with Instacart than you would with Amazon Flex when it comes to having it as a full-time job or something like that, because it's more manageable and you can manage your time. Like with Amazon Flex, say for instance you got to go to the bathroom, you got to technically time yourself, because like I said, if your shift is from 5 o'clock to 8 o'clock, they can track and see what you're doing the whole entire time. So if you stopping at Burger King or something like that, they see that. But however, like if you got to use the restroom or something like that, that's cutting in your time of your shift, and that's gonna put you behind on doing the packages. Instacart, you got to use the restroom, that's gonna kind of put you behind too. But my thing is, you already in the grocery store, so it's easy for you to just kind of use the restroom. You ain't got to stop nowhere, nothing like that. But the difference is like with Instacart, say for instance I could finish one batch right now and go home, take a nap, come back out and do a batch again. With Instacart, with Amazon Flex, they only have mainly afternoon shifts. I haven't seen anything in the morning. That maybe that's just the level that I reach, but I'll only be seeing like 5 to 8 shifts, or like 4 to something. The earliest that I've seen is like a 2 o'clock, something like that, like a 2 to 6 or something like that. Now I'll be like for $72. It all depends. But I haven't seen anything like a 9 a.m. to 1 or 9 a.m. to 12. I've never seen anything like that. So, you know what I'm saying? Mainly it's like you'll do that one shift and your day is over. It's never like a midnight shift or nothing like that. So that's what I'm saying. Like, those are the differences between the two. If you guys have any questions, don't forget to comment down below. Like I said, I check everything. I make sure I try to respond to everybody as much as I can. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Y'all stay safe. Peace.